Alright, I'm going to show you guys how to remove the deck on a Murray Select. This is a 13.5 horsepower Briggs and Stratton 40-inch deck. So first, we need to make our deck to the lowest setting. So bam, we're going to put that there. Alright, next step, there's 4 of these that need to get replaced. So let me get up under here. So you should have, so this is the first one right here. There's 4 of these. You have one right here. This is a cotter pin and a washer. So we made our deck all the way down to the ground for obvious reasons. We don't want it to like fall when we take this stuff out. But yeah, you're gonna boom. I'm gonna try to do this. Let's see. There we go. I should just be able to pull this out the top. So yeah. This is the only one like that though, so I could be wrong. Okay, let's see. Okay, there we go. Pulled out the pin. Boom. And you got the washer. So that's one. The next step is you go to this one. There's one right here somewhere, as you can see, right as I try to get this one. So this one's a lot easier, just pull the pin. Yeah, I use these pliers. Those pliers. Yep. Sorry. Oh my gosh, everything is just stupid hard. Man, it shouldn't be taking this long, but there you go. You pull that out. And you pull the washer off. This little washer. Alright. Alright, we'll go 2 around. There's not too many of these. Alright, so where's the next one? Right there. So the other one's right here. I use my pliers. This is always a pain. Oh my gosh. That thing's ever easy. Yep, pull that out. Take the pin off. There we go. Okay. The next one is back here by the tire. Let's see. This one is up here as I try to get it off again with one hand. Let's see. Okay. Almost. There you go. Got it. There you go. And has another washer. Okay, last one is in the front over here. Let's see. The last one. This one's pretty easy to get, and here we go. You just pull this out like that. And this bar, what should happen is bar, it should slide out. So I'm gonna try to get that out. All right, so you have this bar right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna lift up on my deck. I'm gonna pull it out with my right hand. So this will give me take the tension off the bar, and you'll be able to slide it out like this. And that bar, it'll slide out, and then you can make it go kind of like down like this. Boom, bam. And now the deck, it's not off yet. We have to take it off of all those 4 supports. The next thing is we're gonna go back here. This is the spring for when you pull the lever, it's going to engage the blade. So we have to disconnect it from here. Let's see. So it should just, let me try to get a good angle of that. There we go. So it should just be able to use your hand and just, yeah, there we go. And just go, there we go. That's disconnected. All right, now our deck is on the ground. We need to, we can take these off now, right here. Let me see. These should just come off. I might have to lift up the mower just slightly. And there's one back here, so let's see. Boom. Yep, it's one down. Here's one over here. I'm gonna lift up the deck with my hand. Give me a second. I'm gonna lift up the deck. Hope you guys can see this. The deck up with my hand. Give me a second. There we go. It's two. All right. I'm gonna come to this side. All right, so the next one is right here. You see. All right. Right up in there. As you can see. My hand is, I'm gonna lift up on the deck just slightly. Boom, I can move it out the way. It falls. And let me see, there's one more, I believe. Sorry. It's one more. Where is it? I think I done lost it. Wait, there's only one on this side? There might have only been one. Okay, yeah. There might have been only one on this side. No, there's two. There's definitely two. Where is it? Here's one here. Oh, okay, so yeah, it already came undone. So there you go. So last step is we need to so this belt needs to come off the drive pulley, and let's see. Let me get my camera ready. Let's see if I can do this with this angle there. So yeah, we got to get this pulley off, and it'll just slide off. Boom. There we go. Just like that. All right, with everything disconnected, you should just be able to slide this thing out. Let me see. I'll try to do it with one hand. Yeah, I'll just grab it from here. Yep. And it should just slide out with no problem. So now you have access to the deck now. Okay, since we have the deck off, I'm gonna show you like how to change the blade belt. So let me move these out the way. Boom, boom, boom. All right, as you can see, this is the old belt. I'm gonna just show you what it looks like or whatnot. So this one I'm still using, but if you wanted to change it, you can easily just remove it like this, just like this. The guards aren't too like in the way, like I'm doing this with one hand. Yeah, boom, and you'll be able to take the the belt off, just like that. Easy. So I'm going to show you how to install it. Alright, so to install the deck belt, we have I'm going to use the same old one. So here we have our deck belt. You have a flat side. So this flat side, is going to go into this pulley because, as you can see on the inside, it is flat. The V side will go on these two. So this thing easily, you just slide it in like this. I'm doing this with one hand, so yeah, it's not too hard. So now we're gonna go to our second pulley. I don't know, maybe this deck belt needs to be replaced. I will get to that another day. So now our last pulley. Remember, our last pulley, we need the flat side to go on to here. So what we're gonna do is, boom, this flat side goes in. So the flat side goes onto a pulley. Boom, just like that. And let me see. There we go. Easy. So now our flat side is on this pulley. So if this was up under, the last pulley would go over the pulley that's on the engine. And as you can see, it's a V shape because it goes on to this pulley up under there. So now we're going to put everything back together. All right, so I almost made a mistake. So there's a guard here, or rail guide, or I don't know what this thing's called. So when I did put it on, it was like that. So before you put this thing back together, make sure It's like this. It needs to be on the inside. And here's a closer up. But now, as you can see, we're all good to go now. Let me get this thing back up underneath the mower. All right, so we're gonna put everything back together. So first, before you actually try to put this up under the mower, so you're trying to like install it, you know, if you leave it like this, you're not going to be able to like raise these and like put them. They're going to get like stuck going this way. You want these already to be like this. Have them already going forward, these little arms, and you're going to save yourself a headache in having to like kind of restart. So yeah, just make sure these are forward, and we're going to get this up under the mower. Let's go. Okay, now we're in front of the mower, so let me adjust this real quick. All right, so we're up under the mower. So our first thing we got to do is get this to line up with let me see, we need to get this to line up right here so we can put that little bar back in. That bar, let's see, I pulled it out this way, so it probably needs to go in this way. So let's see, let's try to line it up with the holes. Let's see, I'm trying to line this up with the holes. Might take me a few times, but there we go. That side's in, and then you could put it through this side. Boom. So first side's installed. Don't forget the little pin that goes here. Oh, that's the wrong one. 1 second. It might be the wrong pin. Yeah. Alright. Wait, this might be the right one. I might be just be wrong. Yeah, so, yeah, this pin goes in there. Yep, just like that. Now we're good. Alright. This arm right here. You might have to, there we go. Might have to mess with the deck. Get that arm to go into place. You got another arm right here. This arm goes right here. It flips up. It goes right there. Boom. There we go. Now we can install our hardware. You get a washer and a pin that go on this side. Okay, it should just be able, there we go, bam. And the next one, we got another one. That one can go over here. Hopefully you guys can see this. Yeah. And boom, easy install. There we go. Good. All right, now I'm on this side. Let's see. We have this side, which goes, let's see. I have been lifting the deck while I've been doing this because it makes it a little bit easier. Boom, that's on. And let me get the other one. The other one's over here. Let's see. Maybe not that one. Let me get this arm on first. Let's see. Something's a little off. I think something's a little off here. Something's a little off. It's not lining up. It's not lining up how it was. But this side wants to go on. And we have this arm here. This arm here is being a little bit weird. It does not want to go onto the, might have to just push it. No, I don't think pushing is gonna help with that one. Okay, something's a little off, so let's try to figure this out. What's going on here? This arm is not lining up. But why is it not lining up? There we go. Might just have to Might just have to muscle it like that, so that's good. So we'll put the pin in there. Let me move my camera. I want you guys to see this. So you might have to play with it. Yep. Put the pin in there. Yep, just like this. Boom. All right, let's get the last one, which is in the rear. So yeah, you might have to muscle it. Might not go in all the way easily. So we'll go back around here. Go back around here. And yeah, we have a washer that goes on there. And let's see. I'm gonna try to put this in here like so. Boom. Yep, just like that. And then I'll put a little bend in it, so next time it shouldn't be this hard to take out. So boom. That's good enough. All right. Now we're gonna get our engagement spring. We need to get the blade engagement spring back on. It was in the top hole, so the first hole. Oh, it was. You just put that back. Boom. All right. Last, we have our blade belt. It needs to go around here, just like so. Bam. Yep. Just like so. Yep. Okay, everything is installed correctly. Wait, hold up. Make sure. I almost forgot this. Make sure. Yeah, there we go. Make sure, you know, it's in between all the guides. Just one last check, you know, through everything, so you know you don't run into any problems. So everything looks good. Yep, everything looks good. Now we're going to start the machine and see if the blades work. All right, since everything is hooked up, let's see. Yep, our blade goes, our deck goes up and down. Easy. All right, next we'll start the machine. Let's see. A little bit of gas. Oh yep, that's how you replace the deck blade for a Murray Select 13.5 horsepower 40-inch deck. Well, I hope this video helped you guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.